The third and final video on how to use this resource includes ideas about how to support and extend pupils working at a range of levels within a class while engaging them all in the same number talk. The next section includes the following areas: ways to extend the challenge, including looking at efficiency and developing the language and understanding of pupils by building their capacity to explain their thinking clearly. Extending their thinking around relationships in number strings. For example, pupils who are already solving problems flexibly and efficiently and can clearly articulate their thinking could be asked to consider what the next question would be if there is a pattern and relationship between them, or what the 10th question would be, and so on. Other ideas for ways that the thinking could be extended are also provided. Equally, there are ideas for including and engaging those who, at a certain point, are no longer able to solve the problems at the moment. There are vital skills in terms of estimation and number sense that could be developed without actually solving the problem completely. These pupils can therefore still be involved and engaged in meaningful ways. As you will have heard in the training, the number talks are not there to replace the main part of the teaching. The number talks could be followed up, though, with teaching of a specific strategy that everyone in the class would benefit from learning more about, or with a specific group of pupils to target a gap or misconception that became apparent within the number talk. Using the two in conjunction with one another, rather than seeing them as discrete things, would be useful. There are suggestions within the document for ideas about how to support pupil understanding within a teaching session using concrete materials. In this resource, these are all specifically related to the strategy of bridging through a multiple of 10. As you can see here, there are examples with tens frames, NUMICON, and CUISENAIRE rods. There are also other suggestions for follow-up activities, such as the use of think boards, or investigations to dig deeper into a particular strategy or compare and contrast one strategy to another. Hopefully that has provided a helpful overview as to how to use this document to support your implementation of number talks.